in your cell. Sorry. So your sodium plays a very, very important role. But you need the right type of sodium. And for your cells itself, you can't have too much sodium on its own also. So that is why you need all the other minerals and nutrients as well in you, which make up your blood. And that is also what is needed for proper cellular process to take place. Okay, now just remember, that's how that works. The next thing is, and I touched on this the last time also, how your cells work. So your cells need nutrients and minerals to work and water to work properly. And because of the environmental factors that we are constantly being exposed to, stress, we don't drink enough water, or maybe we do, but we don't have the proper salts or the proper nutrients with it, we end up in a state of dehydration. So most of us are constantly dehydrated and we don't even know it. And also just because life is fast. With the result that because our cells want to protect the little bits of water that is in the cell and the little bit of nutrients that's in the cell so that it can do its job. Because remember, your body is always trying to fix itself, trying to regulate itself. So there's all these mechanisms that help to regulate. So now it forms a layer around the cell, like a little bubble, to protect what's inside. Because normally what happens is osmosis. So it diffuses in and it diffuses through the layers, and that is how the water and the minerals and nutrients get in and out of the cell. Now with this layer around it, it can't get in. So now your salt and your water is coming and your nutrients, whatever from the food you eat, it's coming at once to get into the cell. It can't get into the cell because of this layer. So it forces it because it needs to get into the cell. That forcing also causes high blood pressure. So now you have a potassium pump that's causing high blood pressure to eat the wrong salt and it's swelling up. You have now this issue with your cells that is also now not working properly because of this layer around it. So now if you feed it the right stuff, which is either Himalayan or Celtic salt, then you are getting the